them freaking birds. Yeah, look at them. Whoa. I think they all live in that chimney there. Yeah, there's a bunch of them. I have noticed, like, lately, there's a lot of, like, little tiny bugs, like what you'd consider to be no-see-ums. They're like swarms of bugs that you can't really see until you catch them in a certain kind of light. Then you can see them. But I think maybe there's no-see-ums up there above us, and the birds are just freaking eating them or something. Because I've been noticing these things flying around like weird flyers lately. Whoa! They look blue. Look at all that. Wow.